welcome to another video of Carol Creates. I'm Carol and this is my daughter Megan.
Hi.
Today we're going to show you a little bit of origami. We're going to be making some paper cranes. This was inspired by this book that I read as a child in school. It's called Sadako and the Thousand Paper Cranes by Eleanor Coor. It's a lovely story about a little girl who gets ill, and she decides to follow a Japanese myth that says, you know, if you make 1,000 paper cranes, you will get one wish. And so she sets about with her friends and her family to make and fold 1,000 paper cranes as she's going through her medical treatments. And it's a really touching story. I highly recommend it if you've not read it before. So now let's get started. For making the paper cranes, you will need a colored square sheet of paper, like this, any color that you like. These ones are 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. And to start, the first thing you're going to do is fold them into a triangle. So corner to corner, we're going to fold it into a triangle. This paper crane, I would say, is level 2. It's a little bit tricky, but it's actually not that hard once you get going. So you're going to fold it again and create another triangle. So you're going to fold it in half again, creating a smaller triangle. Right to the edge. Do it again.
Origami can be fiddly.
There you go. So from this triangle, we're going to open it up, and we're going to fold it lengthwise in half. And then we're going to open it up again and fold it in the opposite side, lengthwise again, so that you have basically a star shape. That's kind of a star shape. An X this way and a plus sign this way. Okay, so now that we have all these creases already pre-creased for us, we're going to go back to the triangle. So go back to the triangle. There, good. Now, once we have that, you're going to, so this is the part that folds down, the top part up. What you're going to do is you're going to fold this in like this. Create a diamond shape with the tail. So again, it goes up like this and then folds in like that. Good. Then you're going to turn it over. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So if the tail is on my right hand side, I'm going to lift it up and fold it in so that you create another diamond. So you basically have a diamond or a square shape on top of each other. Like so.
Yeah, it's folded up very strong.
There we go. Very good. So now we have this diamond shape front to back. You want to make sure that the point, the middle of it, that's closed, is facing away from you, and the open part is facing towards you.
It's like it's eating you.
So you place that down, and then you're going to fold, lift up the flap on the right hand side, and you're going to fold into that middle line here. So that you're creating a little triangle into this middle line. That's it. This. So you folded this in to create the middle line. And then you're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. You're going to bring the flap in to the middle line and create another triangle. So it kind of looks like, it's a little bit like an ice cream cone.
Or cut.
Yes.
Or stick.
So now now we're going to flip it over and we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So fold in the two flaps into the middle line and create little triangles so that it is identical to the inside. So it really looks like an ice cream cone. It's the same on both sides.
Or a kite.
Or a kite, yes. So this next step, what we're going to do is we're going to open one of the flaps, right? Open it up, and you're going to want to lift the top up, kind of like a beak, and you're going to basically fold where the corners are here. Fold just gently, just in the middle, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to fold the top parts in so that it basically creates you're going to basically fold it all the way up, and then you're going to fold on the back side of the crease here, and fold it down so that it goes into this shape. So this is what it looks like. But the back is where the... There you go. Good. Very good. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side, the back side. So again, we're going to open the flaps, we're going to lift the bottom flap up, and you're going to create a fold right in the middle while you're pushing these sides in to create that diamond shape. Very good. So just to make sure that we're oriented correctly, you're going to notice that the top part, you've got basically these parts sticking out, and you've got a little pyramid triangle hump in the middle. That hump is actually the body of the crane, and these top bits are going to be the wings of the crane. And at the bottom, you've got the leg, or they look like legs right now, but we're going to turn those into the head and the tail. So what you do here, I find it easiest, is if you're going to want to basically open this up just a little bit, and you're going to, using your thumb, kind of fold it in and up. You want that to stay. Oops. That to stay. And you fold it in and up.
And you can adjust that.
Yeah, you can adjust it. And then fold it back on itself. And that basically creates one side. And do the same thing on the opposite side. So fold it up. Fold it in. Squeeze it down so you've got two sides. Just like that. And now this very last step is to make the head. So you choose one of the tails. I'm going to choose this side. And I'm going to fold it back down. So kind of the opposite of what we did going up. We're now going to go down and snap it together, and you've got the head, the beak. And the very, very last step is to fold the wings down. So you can just fold it just a little bit, same on both sides. Now you have a paper crane. So that's it. I hope you guys had a lot of fun making these paper cranes with us. We've done quite a few here in a rainbow of colors. You can use them to occupy the kids when you're waiting at a restaurant for the meal to come, or whenever it suits. You can turn, when you get a nice collection of them, you can turn them into like a mobile over a nursery, or just have them as decoration in the room. Hope you had fun, and I'd love to see pictures of the ones that you've done as well. See you next time.